Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? Hope you all are doing well. Today we're going for a beautiful glam eye makeover. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. First things first, we're tackling those brows. I'm using my makeup practice tool, so for eyebrows I will use eyebrow tattoos today. So let's get them looking sharp. Next, it's all about the eyes. We're starting with concealer to get a nice, even base for our eyeshadow. Let's get those lids popping. And hey, don't forget to try this look out yourself. I'll be breaking down every step, so you can recreate it at home. Stay tuned for the full 8-minute tutorial, and let me know what you think in the comments below. So I am doing multichrome eyeshadow look as it's my look. I always look forward to create unique looks from multichrome shades. If you have watched my previous tutorials, you would have known that so far I have created many different looks from these multichrome look. It's very easy if you will follow me step by step. The only key point is to blend every shade perfectly so there's no edges and sharp line to make sure we have smooth and professional look. First thing first, let's start with brown and neutral shades for our eyes crease. Start blending slowly, apply and blend.
No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the highways, and on we'll go. In the city, rushing through me, down upstream, all you make me feel it. Rainbow, in the city, rushing through me, down upstream, all you make me feel it.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it out. Tonight, we gonna let it out. Tonight, we gonna let it out. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it out. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it out. Tonight, we gonna let it out. Tonight, we gonna let it out. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it
Thank you for watching my tutorial. And thank you for your time, love your support, keep supporting and keep watching, do comments, and share with your family friends. Allah Hafiz.